So the scenario here is, imagine we have a young engineer that has been tasked to solve a particular quality problem, and they need to ask questions and get guidance. Tom is the quality agent that can now assist this engineer with quality issues, and so we can now ask the question. Hey Tom, how's it going with quality? So welcome to another Machine Monday. So I'm standing at this Odin Education event where we've got on display our latest innovation with regards to how to make production lines more efficient, specifically around operators. So the first thing that we have is a worker guidance. So think of it as Google Maps for the operator, where we're guiding the operator step by step based on what they do. The next part of this is where we go into using computer vision, as you see the cameras above here, on how to guide the operator one layer deeper, where we're controlling the position of a bolting tool, for example. We're checking the position of the operator's hand, so that if they do make a mistake, we're able to basically give them the U-turn on how to correct the problem or scrap the component. But the next phase, the part that's most exciting, is how do we talk to the production line? So Odin Workstation is the touch point. So the nervous system of the production line, where we're gathering all of the data, all of the performance information from all of the sensors and the operator performance. That's touch. We then move to C. This is Odin Phantom. This is where we're able to use our computer vision AI cameras to not only control the process, but actually monitor what actually happened. And obviously the next phase is think. So how do we actually allow and create thinking models on our production line so we can actually speak to them and actually ask questions? So the scenario here is, imagine we have a young engineer that has been tasked to solve a particular quality problem, and they need to ask questions and get guidance. So this is what we can do. So I can go into the model, and we have three models, Tom, Dick, and Sally. And Tom is the quality agent that can now assist this young engineer with quality issues, and so we can now ask the question. Hey Tom, how's it going with quality? So what it's doing now is actually assessing the database and doing some analysis. It's actually writing its own set of code to do that analysis, and then it's getting output.
Tom here. I've run the quality scan. We have a critical process alert right now. Failure point, STN 160, hole-to-hole gauge, station 160. The data, the rolling CPK is at minus 12,801.67.
So I'm not going to complete the whole summary, but basically what it's done there is given us an analysis as to where the quality issues are, and it's even given us some guidance and recommendations on how to actually solve the problem. And that's what the future manufacturing is going to look like. How do I go from touch, the nervous system, see the AI computer vision, to AI agents that are able to help people solve their problems on the shop floor? Here's another Machine Monday.